YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Migo the Entrepreneur. I'm back with another one. Today we got a house wash driveway. We got a slamming one today. We about to get out here and get it. I appreciate all the new subscribers, all the views. I appreciate y'all for sharing my content with y'all family, y'all friends, and whoever else. Y'all keep showing love, man. We get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm gonna give something away. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna give something away to probably two people. I know one person gonna get something, but maybe two people. So y'all keep subscribing, keep helping the boy go up, man. We going up. Brown Washing LLC. We about to get out here today. We in Decatur. We got a house wash, driveway, and a deck. Yeah, man, let's go, man. Let's get right on into it, man. No plan, man. Let's get it, man. And what we got, y'all, I'm gonna touch them curves up. They about to sell this house. So I'm gonna touch this. I'm finna A1 this real quick. Got a little cedar up there. I'm gonna put a hot mix on that, bring that back, make that look a whole lot better. You know what I'm talking about? That cedar wood. Got something for it. We about to make this thing look good. Give y'all a glance at this side. It ain't too bad. Ain't no mold, really no mildew. They just selling, so they about to want to get everything, cleaned up first. My phone about to go dead. I'm gonna put my phone on the charger for a little minute. I'm gonna start on this driveway, but y'all can see how dirty this house is. A little bit on this side, dirt in the window. We gonna clean that up. We about to get that concrete clean. We ain't gotta do the fence, but if they want us to come back and do it, we will. It's dirty up around here. It don't really get no shade up through that way, I bet you. I mean, no sun. This where the shade be at over here. I promise you. See all that? That's dirty. This is probably the dirtiest side. We ain't got to do it inside of this screening and porch. But I told him I will clean the stairs though. But I do got to do this little deck real fast. And I got to do this. I'm going to bring this back to life as a bonus clean. I told him I'd clean it before we put it back up there on that deck. Get all that cleaned up. They dirty. All of it, it's green and, I'm gonna go on and bring it back to life for them. It's the other side of the house, over the fence though. But that's what we got, y'all. Let's get to it, man. We pulled, we ready. Pressure washer going. Everything ready. Everything waiting on me. Let's get it, man. I feel good today, man. Let's get it. Getting all the debris and pine straw and rocks and sticks and, you don't want to just get out here surface cleaning. You gotta do some prep work, pre-rinsing, you know what I'm saying? Before you apply that chemical. You wanted everything to be right. You got them curves situated out there. We're on to start from the curb, work our way down. Now we about to apply the chemicals to all of this. And we get all this dirt and pine straw from right here. We start applying the chemical from the top to the bottom. And then we're gonna start surface cleaning. All of this has been there, got a nice little dwell time on it. By the time we get done applying the chemical to all that, let's go. I went on and pre-rinse this side and just start applying the chemical while I get that concrete time to dwell. So I'm gonna go and wash this side of the house real quick, get it out the way. You know what I'm saying? Since I already got to do the deck and all that, I like to get portions out the way, man. You know what I'm talking about? Let me get this sprayed down, cleaned up, and then we're gonna start surface cleaning. Start surface cleaning. About to start rinsing and then go do the back. That back deck in the back of the house, and then I'm gonna show y'all what we got, man. About to rinse this driveway down, and then I'm about to post treat. And then I'm about to rinse this down, about to post treat. I'm sorry, y'all, my phone was ringing. I'm about to post treat and then go do this back. Have all this gonna be beautiful by the time we get done. It's gonna be dry and it's gonna be pretty. Watch. I got that downstream mix on that deck. I may have to come back with a hot mix on it. I don't know yet. I'm gonna see how that do first. But I'm about to go and apply the chemical to this and that side over there. And then we're gonna rinse. We're gonna rinse everything down. Then we're gonna clean that this furniture out here. I'm gonna show it to y'all again. This dirty stuff right here. Get that and we'll be out.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all, there we go. Let's start right there. I mean, it curved, they look better than what they did. You gonna be able to tell, they gonna be able to tell. But the concrete look good though. House look good. Concrete look amazing actually. Brought that back. Might as well go around then, since I'm going that way. Went on, touched that up a little bit. Got that cleaned up real good. Got that deck looking good. Could have put some that one restore on it. It would have pulled that red dirt up, but to be honest, I ain't got no more. I gotta order some. But y'all can see all that clean. You know. Put that solution on there. Clean that thing up. Got this stuff looking new out here. Hear me? House looking good. I sprayed around all this, around all that. Got all that looking good. Got that drone out there. That's it. There it go. Y'all see it? Yeah, look at that driveway though. Looking good. This side clean. No more mold, no more mildew, all that. Clean that thing up real good. Got that red dirt from off of there. I had a little bit though. I had a little bit in my pump up sprayer, just a little bit. Where my other pump up sprayer that I got on there, not that one, that's SH right there. But yeah, we good though. Everything cleaned up. A1. Hit that notification bell. Y'all know y'all gotta tap in with me. All right, y'all, man. I appreciate y'all for tapping in, man. I'm about to wrap up. I'm about to get everything situated so I can get up out of here. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. I appreciate y'all for tapping in. All the new subscribers, I appreciate y'all for subscribing. And we out of here, man, till the next time, man. Got another one coming up soon, man. Y'all be easy, man. Love y'all.